Here we are at part 2 of the crossing video. Um, we have the crossing here. If you guys did not notice, this crossing does not have a track sign or a railroad crossing sign. So, that's one thing it's missing. Um, yeah, it's missing the crossing sign and the track sign. And here, down here, it says, okay, I can't read that, hold on. Let me go down real quick. I think this is some sort of type of thing. So, I don't know what it says. I can't read that, but I know it's something. It says something there. I think it's just blanked out. Most likely, but oh. Um, I think so, but you guys did not notice that there's not another crossing here. I think they did not implement it yet. I think there was supposed to be another crossing here, but I don't know. We might have to figure that out with the people that play this game. I'm the only one who played this game, so it's like I feel like I'm the only one that plays this game, so that's actually impressive though. But I will show the gate here and lights, and then I'll keep talking. But we're not gonna turn on the whole crossing. Here's the lights. Again, if you did not see last video, we showed the main lights here. They were a little, I don't know, even. Let's see if the gate lights are gonna do the same. Looking at main lights too. I think it's just the main lights that do that, but you guys can kind of tell. Oh, I just started walking and then it just did that. Do you guys think these are strobed? Let's look closely into them. What in the heck? But look closely to them. What the heck? You guys just saw that, right? One light just stayed on. That one stayed on. The one on the left side of my screen. And this one just stayed off. And then it just did that. So, yeah, that's weird. But anyways, we'll lift the gates here. Let's see. This is how the gate goes up. Most of you guys know crossing gates do this. Which I think y'all already know that if you guys live in a town with railroad crossings. But yeah. And what are these called? I see them on most every crossing. I don't see them on the ones that we live right next to, but... And comment, what type of belt actually is this? Is it a Type 3 or a Type 2? Because listen to the sound of it. Like fully, listen to the sound of it. I'll turn on the light with that too, so it can act like crossing belt. Listen. What does that sound like to you guys? So, comment down below I'm hoping sooner or later they can implement a train that goes through here. So they can implement a train that goes through this track. And another crossing right here. That would be perfect. Another crossing right here. So it's not only this one that's dinging every time. And we have another one that goes bing, 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 bing. That one. So it goes no, no when it turns on. So it'll go boom. You stand over here, but it'll go bing, bing, dum, dum, dum. And you stand over there on that side. Signal. And the gates go down and the train goes by. They should implement a track sign to this too. If you guys think, comment down below. Do they need to add a tracks or a crossing symbol there? That's a railroad crossing on there. Because this is United States crossing. This is the United States Railroad crossing. Look at these tracks. I think they should finish it up, but yeah, see, it goes out there, and if it doesn't, it could go along there, and there could be another crossing there, but they don't have another one there. So, yeah, that's my opinion. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Should they add another crossing? Should they add more tracks to this so they can add a train? Or what should they do next? And we will see you all in part 3. See you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you all later.